up, guys? Welcome to another video. So today we are going to go do some work on the farm. My boyfriend was working on his grandpa's farm, so I decided to take the Scrambler over there. It's just like not very far. You can get there over the tracks, and then just a little bit of road riding. So I decided to take the four-wheeler, just because it was kind of nice out. So yeah. Just going up over the tracks now. Kind of taking it slow, just because this, right now that I'm crossing over to, isn't my boyfriend's land. But we do have permission to ride through it just to get to the road. But I just am trying to be respectful and going kind of slow, just so I don't make too much noise. So I'm coming up to the road now. I can go a little bit faster, just because I'm not, I was just going slow through that guy's driveway, didn't want to make too much noise, but now I can go a little bit faster. So now I'm just coming up to the farm here. Trying to see where everybody's at. But first I gotta go and say hi to the animals. Alright, so back to work. So now I'm just following Mike, his sister, and her fiance on the gator. Today we're going to pull a fence out, an old electric fence from like a really long time ago. So it's all tangled up in the brush that's grown over the years. So it was a little bit difficult. So I'm just pulling the wheeler over it at the fence. We're gonna hook it up to the winch and try and pull it out that way. So I'm just letting the winch out. Mike's hooking it up to the wire. So I'm not really getting anywhere, so I kind of gun it and hope for the best. Trying to get some traction. So now Mike's trying to do it because apparently he didn't think I was doing it right. But as you can see, he's not really getting anywhere either. The tires are just spinning.
Pull the winch in. Push the button and winch it in a little.
Alright guys, that's going to be it for this video. Make sure you go give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and if you want to see how we do get that fence out of the ground and unstuck, make sure you tune in for part 2. I'm going to post it sometime next week. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.